and don't get to change the nature of the open, accepting values that make us who we are. I am proud to be Canadian. I am proud to be a Quebecer, and I'm proud to stand.
The movement is picking up supporters along the way. A group of Yellow Vesters, many with controversial opinions on other issues, including migrants, are also taking up the pipeline cause and plan to join the convoy.
Folks, this is the front line. 2 by 2. Any corner, any village, local, 11 a.m. Be there. Be there. This is it. Let's do it.
It's all it takes, people. Go online, find your location and your time in your respective city, and get out there and make a difference. Make your voices heard, because you matter, along with everybody else in this country. And united we stand.
$1 billion deficit, a completely wrecked campaign commitment. Mr. Speaker, I'd like to know, does the Prime Minister not understand that deficits now mean higher taxes in the future, and does he still believe that budgets balance themselves?
Honourable Prime Minister.
What the member opposite seems to continue to fail to understand is that Canadians know that we need to invest in our economy. We need to invest in the kind of infrastructure that our communities have been asking for. We need to invest in the kind of jobs and support for the middle class that Canadians right across the country demanded in the last election. That member and his party failed to offer Canadians the kind of vision for the future they needed, and that's why they're sitting on the other side of the House today.
Dead set against the carbon tax. We think it's unwarranted. It doesn't need to come out of us. Everything with Mr. Trudeau has been tax, 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 spend, spend, spend.
What's going on with policy as far as immigration is concerned, it just seems as though the federal government is a rogue agency that then is making decisions based on its own agenda.
All parties, including my own, have done in the past, which is to say we're going to balance the books, and then, oops, the numbers are worse than we thought. We're going to have to break our promises. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm being honest with Canadians. We're going to run 3 deficits, and we're going to invest in the future Canadians need right now.